Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, I will be sharing an amazing command prompt trick that helps you quickly enter the BIOS on a Windows computer. Many times, we need to access the BIOS to change important system settings. But entering the BIOS using keyboard keys like F2, DL, or ESC can be confusing, and many users face problems with timing or different motherboard keys. The good news is, you can enter the BIOS easily using a single command prompt command. First, click on the Windows search bar and type CMD. From the search results, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Once you do that, the black command prompt window will open on your screen. Now here, you need to run a very simple command. You can either type it manually or copy and paste it. I will also leave this command in the video description for your convenience. The command is shutdown/r/fw/t0. Make sure the command is typed correctly, then press the Enter key. As soon as you hit Enter, your computer will automatically restart. This time, instead of booting normally into Windows, it will directly take you into the BIOS or UEFI settings. Now you are inside the BIOS, where you can access all available options and make any required changes, such as boot settings, hardware configuration, or system features. Once you are done, simply save the changes and exit the BIOS. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.